Hello everyone, my name is Farah Diba Ramadhani Hakim and this is my course series video where I will show you guys my activities in fundamental acting class in University Science Malaysia and also what I learned from my final experience on my final performance, which is Uda Endara Theater. Enjoy! First of all, we have to make some movement before we go to the acting class. The question is, why? Because actors have to be able to move their bodies in order to convey the emotion they are feeling or represent a character. Using movement techniques will help us to get in touch with our physical abilities and express ourselves through the movement. In acting movement techniques, rather than focusing on how our body is moving, we can ask ourselves what the character needs to be feeling and then let go of trying to do anything right or wrong. For our final performance, we will play a musical theater called Uda dan Dara, created by Usman Awang. And the story of Uda dan Dara is actually an early idea from poem Usman Awang produced in 1956 titled Girls in the Grave. And the musical Uda dan Dara is Usman Awang masterpiece that criticized the social system in Malaysia society that oppressed the disadvantaged society. So guys, basically the story of Uda dan Dara is like the story of Romeo and Juliet, where Dara fall in love with Uda and Uda fall in love with Dara, but they have a different social status or social classes according to their economic status, like Dara in the higher level of Uda and then Uda is in the low level of economic status. But the problem is way too complicated for that. There are many things that we can learn from Uda and Dara script. So that's why here I will break down to you guys 3 things that I learned from Uda dan Dara script. First is poverty is the significant society problem. If we look at the script of Uda and Dara, we can see that Usman Awang, who is created this Uda and Dara script, is attempting to portray himself as a Malay who oppressed by the poverty. In a different viewpoint, Usman Awang saw the Malays as a wonderful nation, living in a culture with a lush natural environment but always in poverty. In this example, Usman Awang is certain that poverty is the main issue for most Malaysians. There is a contradiction in that Usman Awang emphasized this topic because of the social and economic disparity that Malay society faces. So in the script of Uda and Dara, there is a song called Balek Balek Lah, or in Indonesia we call it Pulang, which is very emphasize the hardworking culture in Malaysia, but yet they are still in the poverty situation. Balek, balek, The second thing that we can learn from Uda and Dara script is the value of the social structure. So one of the most prominent themes in Uda and Dara theater, or we can see on the script, is that social inequality. So it is the evident on the character. There is a character called Alang Bahil. Usman Awang created the character from the ordinary population yet has enormous economic influence. Usman Awang would want to say that arrogance of a privileged social groupings occurs every day everywhere, whether in the metropolis or remote village. Last but not least, that what I can learn from Uda and Dara script was people mistakes in understanding of the richest property. Nowadays, people frequently interpret wealth in a way that is only focused on the real estate ownership. On real estate, according to Uda's character, maybe is only one resistant option. So in a story, Uda eventually decided to go to the city to gather property in order to propose Dara and in order to make himself have a same level economic as a Dara. Okay guys, so that's all for movement for actors and learning social inequality through Uda dan Dara performance. I hope this video will be beneficial for you guys. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.